Click for biology. Here we're going to make a comparison between animal and plant cells. If you want to download the PDF from the description, you can annotate that with your own notes as we go along. So if we move through to the table that I've drawn for this, we've already covered the structure of animal cells and plant cells in previous videos in this playlist. One of the features that we did not discuss was size, and notable is that animal cells are particularly smaller than plant cells. And of course, this has probably got to do with size, and size has got to do with the exchange rate of molecules across the surface into and out of the animal cells. Animal cells will be demanding a lot more nutrient, a lot more oxygen than plant cells, because their metabolic rate, the rate of their chemistry, is far greater. We'll take a look at size and exchange in other videos later on the course. Let's just stick to a comparison of the animals and plant cells at this point. Of course, both animal cells and plant cells have a nucleus, the membrane-bound nucleus. These membranes that surround the nucleus and the mitochondria are the same structure as the cell membranes. And of course, both of these cells types have cell membranes. They are making those cellular structures. Both animal and plant cells contain mitochondria, and both contain ribosomes, so a lot in common to begin with. However, animal cells do not have chloroplasts. They do not photosynthesize, whereas of course our plant cells clearly do. Animal cells don't have the large central vacuole of plants, and animal cells do not have cell walls made of cellulose, or indeed anything else, which is typical of plant cells. This is a very quick comparison, but we've introduced the idea of size, where the animal cells can be much smaller than plant cells. Okay, so if we move on, we've got some quick questions here. I'd suggest taking about 3 minutes to complete these questions. You can then look up the answers in the description to check out your progress, and then we'll take you through to the screen here, where we're linking you to the playlist, to the channel to subscribe, and to the next relevant video. And if you find this useful, really appreciate a thumbs up on this one.